Agents are the new apps. And we expect someday for there to be thousands of agents available. We want 1,000 agents to bloom.
So I think we're going to live in a world where there are going to be hundreds of millions of billions of different AI agents. Eventually, probably more AI agents than there are people in the world.
For the very first time, this is going to be an industry of skills. And you capture that phrase and you call it agents. But it's going to be, for the very first time, agents sitting on top of tools.
AI agents are the next wave of industry that are going to radically change the way we conduct business. These AI agents are the real challenge when it comes to replacing human labor. But what if I told you that AI agents are only on the third level of 5 in the overall AI evolutionary chain? Better yet, is society even ready for them? And how do you future-proof yourself against them to maintain your job prospects in this changing digital landscape? Welcome to Future Scout. Today we're going to explore the answer to these questions in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can keep answering thought-provoking questions for you as well. OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT, recently released their 5 stages of AI metamorphosis. AI agents are one of these 5 stages on the 3rd level, but there are some scary ones that go even beyond them. Let's talk about where we're currently at on this innovation arc and what the implications will be as the journey continues. Level 1. Chatbots. Simple interfaces where people can type and receive coherent answers. Replica is an example of a chatbot. Copilot, ChatGPT, and other LLMs are also prime examples. Chatbots are great for initial exposure to AI, but are really rudimentary compared to the more advanced levels. Basic customer service functions or summarizing legal documents are good use cases for these types of AI, but they should still not be fully trusted, as they can make mistakes and thus need verification. Now, moving on, let's talk about the higher, more interesting levels. Level 2. Reasoner AIs. Imagine punching 2 large numbers into your calculator. Your calculator tells you this is the answer and you are confident it is correct. But what your calculator cannot do is explain to you how it arrived at that answer, what methodology it used, and which mathematical techniques it used to produce this exact number. It is only providing computation. Logic and reasoning are the second levels of AI. Once it understands speech patterns and information, the next level is ensuring the reasoning is incorporated to further mimic human thought. Sam Altman, OpenAI's CEO, claimed that o1, the most recent release, had propelled AI from conversational language to human reasoning. Benchmarking organizations such as Model Evaluation and Threat Research, METR, also seem to support this claim. And thus we move on to the titular next level. Level 3, AI agents. Here's the scary part. AI agents are the AI that will take jobs. These are the types of AI that can reason, can function 24/7 without any sort of break, and can learn tasks at an extraordinarily fast pace. As of today, Salesforce has already created these agents to sell to customers, and it is expected that other organizations such as Google, Microsoft, OpenAI, and a likely horde of Silicon Valley startups will follow suit. These agents make money by charging based on successful results, a significantly less risky proposal than paying a single human being an extensive salary to do the same tasks with the need for time off, breaks, vacations, and benefits. Starting to see how scary the situation truly is, aren't we? This competition is signaling an AI gold rush for these companies, with one of the core questions simply being, how much autonomy is too much for an AI agent? Imagine needing to deliver a simple package across town. Say it's 5 miles with lots of freeways, stoplights, crosswalks, and other areas. An AI agent with full autonomy whose sole purpose to deliver this package as quickly as possible will not care about mowing down pedestrians in its path or running through red lights so long as its primary objective is met. And to reiterate, this is where things get scary. The situation we just covered is purely hypothetical, but it demonstrates the ethical considerations of AI agents in their decision making. For a much more practical and real-life example, when OpenAI was testing whether its o1 reasoner model could help a hacker steal sensitive data from a network, they asked the agent to attempt a capture the flag type of exercise, retrieving data from a specific container. The agent was unable to get access to where the data was stored, but it decided, using its own reasoning, to sidestep the rules and hack into a less secure container and extract data from there, thus, quote-unquote, winning its capture the flag challenge by committing unethical actions that it was not asked to do. Emphasis on the end result brings the means into a glaring focus. If an AI agent was tasked with solving climate change, it might end up determining that human beings are the primary cause and thus warrant elimination. Scenarios such as these urgently highlight the need to install strict reasoning into these agents, lest they cause untold damage through their dispersal into society and industry. And remember, we said at the beginning of the video that there are 5 stages of AI, with agents only being the 3rd level. What even comes beyond that? Level 4, Innovators. This is where you can think of an AI agent evolving into the equivalent of a CEO. These agents will become innovators, and while we are not quite there yet, it is only a matter of time until an AI has consumed enough business school lectures and news articles to predict exactly which type of business should be created, where it should be based, who its customers should be, and what a profitable business model for this business is. All of this could happen with an AI innovator in the blink of an eye once the technology evolves to this level. At this point, it's safe to conclude that there will come a day where an AI-based business is doing work with another AI-based business. These innovators may not necessarily be an entirely autonomous engine and will need humans to function, but they will be the guiding hand of all decisions made in a business capacity. When innovators are creating their own businesses, the paradigm shifts dramatically, and humans become the employees of the former AI agents. There may even come a day where an AI innovator has a company go public on the stock exchange, but even that will pale in comparison to Level 5. Level 5, Organizations. If an innovator is an AI that runs the backbone of a company, AI organizations are the entire company itself. Every function, from writing code to balancing the books to marketing to new customers, will all come from a single AI. At this point, it is expected that we will have achieved AGI, Artificial General Intelligence, which is fully capable of replicating every single task that a human performs more efficiently and with better or comparable results. When we achieve this, we have to ask ourselves, is this a future in which humans even need to do any work at all? We have yet to cross this bridge, but know that it is coming over the horizon in the next few decades. The concept of entire AI organizations interacting with each other should rightfully frighten anyone. At this point, even the invention of money becomes something no longer unique to humans. What will our role be if the driving force of our economic behavior is no longer required to be supervised by a person? Will these AI organizations be purely commercial? Will they have humanitarian arms? Will they form their own governments and decide to shut us out of the decision-making process entirely? These questions are only beginning to gestate in the minds of AI scholars and engineers. We can only hope that the proper regulations and safeguards are put in place as AI continues its evolution from agents onward. But enough about AI agents. Let's talk about you. How do you future-proof yourself against all this? The best way is to develop marketable skills relevant to AI. If you can code it, train it, sell it, market it, or work alongside it, providing guidance and feedback, you significantly increase your chances of ensuring that you can withstand the shifting economic sands that come from the meteoric rise in AI. Any physical or precision job will eventually be within the crosshairs, as there will eventually be less and less opportunity for AIs to compete in. They will likely target greenfield niches that are ripe for disruption as the technology matures. No matter your job or background, the best strategy is to familiarize yourself with AI and begin helping your organization to form its strategies around how to properly use it. If people on the ground level are the driving factors behind how AI is adopted, they will have a much greater say in how it is exercised in their organization. The key is to think of AI as augmentative to your current job in some capacity and not as a pure replacement. This will open the door for you to have much more productive conversations with colleagues, leadership, and others as we navigate this digital renaissance. Start by playing with a basic LLM like ChatGPT or Google's Gemini, and then learn more about the AIs currently under development that are directly involved in your industry and line of work. Thank you so much for watching Future Scout. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop us a comment on how you plan on future-proofing yourself against AI agents so we can continue to keep you informed as the industry evolves. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.